Every great journey begins with a question. Can India create a global name in metal ceilings? We believed it could, and we proved it can. From a small workspace and a fearless dream, Schepper rose, not by chance, but through relentless pursuit of precision and pride. Every panel begins as a sheet of pure potential. GI steel, 120 GSM zinc coated, built to resist time and weather with over 700 hours of salt spray durability. Aluminium AA3003 and AA3105 alloys, light, rigid, and engineered for architecture that lasts. And then comes our finest shield, AkzoNobel powder coating, tested and certified for 15, 25, and 30 years of life with limitless colors and textures. From raw sheet to finished panel, every step is a statement of engineering excellence. We don't claim quality, we prove it. Every Schepper panel is tested to global standards for fire, sound, and air safety. Because performance is not our promise, it's our DNA. Airports, resident bungalows, hospitals, metros, convention halls, high-rise buildings, corporate interiors, railways, banks, and cafes. Schepper transforms spaces where design meets endurance. We don't just fill ceilings, we complete architecture. Our strength isn't in machines, it's in minds that create, measure, and care. Each panel carries the fingerprints of hundreds of hands that believe in making India proud. Today, Schepper manufactures over 5 lakh square feet every month, delivering pan-India and beyond. From Ahmedabad to Dubai, our journey has just begun. Schepper is not about one face, it's about many hearts. Designers, engineers, craftsmen, and dreamers. Together, we form a family that believes in creating a brand India can be proud of. Schepper, more than metal, it's precision, performance, pride. It's India, rising above ceilings,